Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with carrots. First, cook 1 pound of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and rinse it with cold water. This stops the cooking process and removes excess starch. Make sure the pasta is completely cooled before moving on to the next steps. Next, let's prepare our fresh vegetables. Grate 2 medium carrots to add a lovely color and subtle sweetness to your salad. Then, dice 1/2 cup of crisp celery into small, uniform pieces for a nice crunch. Finally, finely chop 1/4 cup of red onion. Its sharp flavor balances the other ingredients beautifully. Now for the heart of the salad, the dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a tangy kick. Stir in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Finish by seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, gently combine your cooled macaroni with the prepared carrots, celery, and red onion. Pour the delicious dressing you just made over the entire mixture. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are evenly coated. For best flavor, chill the macaroni salad for at least 2 hours before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.